day 5 of the trial for 3 of the 5 officers on state trial for the murder of Tyre Nichols. Witnesses delved deeper into analysis of the officer's interaction with Nichols the night he was stopped and beaten, and specifically from law enforcement perspectives. ABC 24's Lauren Turman has been in court from the start of this trial and joins us live from downtown with the details. Lauren.
Pepper, earlier in our coverage, one of the most interesting words that you mentioned was specific, and that definitely characterizes all that we have seen from witnesses today, really in the ever-changing minute-by-minute details of what we've been keeping up with. Of course, with the sheer load of information that we've gotten, it's a lot of changes minute by minute, but one of the most important focal points that I want everybody to pay attention to from today were the words body positioning, and especially in relativity to how ex-officers were encountering Tyre Nichols and what they did from the traffic stop all the way till the end of the night. And actually, very interestingly, there was some animation that showed that body positioning, especially with the point of proving what officer training looked like versus what happened during that initial encounter with Tyre Nichols.
Defense, you ready with your next witness?
Detailed analysis was the theme of day 5 of court for ex-Memphis police officers Tadarius Bean, Demetrius Haley, and Justin Smith in the state trial for the murder of Tyre Nichols. Haley's defense calling on consultant Samantha Spencer, who touched on blood DNA findings on Haley's boots.
Kicking somebody through a foot could result in transfer of DNA no matter where you kick that person.
Yes, that's true, because again, as we talked about, your DNA is all over your body and on your clothes. So especially if you're kicking exposed skin.
It was a slower day as attorneys spent more time combing through the videos of January 7th, 2023, the night Tyre was beaten. One witness, former police chief and SWAT commander Jared Zwicky, spent hours on the stand analyzing some animations of individual interactions with Justin Smith.
I've experienced, other officers have experienced it. I've interviewed probably over 100 police officers during my tenure in critical incidents of what they heard, what they saw. They were all affected by those phenomena.
John Tisdale, another former police chief, also took the stand on Tadarius Bean's behalf, who primarily responded to questions about resisting arrest.
You do hear on the tape repeatedly them telling him, give me your hands, get down, and you know, he's obviously ignoring that.
And both of those law enforcement officials that you just saw also took the stand in the federal trial last year, and Curtis Tate, a Memphis police officer, was the last witness to be heard today. It was very brief, and this makes a total of 18 witnesses, 5 coming from this state and 13 coming from the defense now. And court proceedings will continue into tomorrow, starting at 9 a.m. with a possibility of going into Sunday as well. And of course, we will be here to give you those latest details as they come. But for now, live from Shelby County Criminal Court, I'm Lauren Turman, ABC 24 News.